Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix ARK survival ascended game lagging, freezing, low FPS stuttering issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So you should make sure your system has all the required specs. So after searching for the game on Steam, go below. Here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So you should check whether your PC have all these requirements or not, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam, go to Steam, click on Steam, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, showing you an example over here. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. It may take some time, wait for it, and after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game from the installation folder. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now go to the game application, select the game application and double click on it. Now check if the game is launching or not. If the issue still continues, you should run the game as administrator. For that, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still continues, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. The next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to select the game application. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -D3D11 and then try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run SFC scan. So for that, you have to open command prompt and you have to type this command. So go to the Windows search, search for command prompt, and after that paste this code over here and press enter. So this will scan for any corrupted system files and replace them automatically. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you should check if enable the Steam overlay while in game option is enabled or disabled. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience, users open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for device manager. So search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, and several other, then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So you should make sure the settings are properly set up or lower the graphic settings and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA, Shadowplay, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given this link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after you open the link that I have provided in the description, go below and here you will find the link, click on it, and this will download the Visual C++ files. Now open it, you will get repair or install option. Click on repair. Now wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to update Windows. You must check whether your Windows version needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Windows Update. Now click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, then try to launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. Next is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You simply need to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after you open the link, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that, install it. Once you install it, and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having any antivirus program or firewall, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that try to launch the game, because most of the time antivirus program stops you from playing the game, and so it's suggested to disable your antivirus program if any on your system and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphic settings. Open it. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall ARK Survival Ascended game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and finally reinstall ARK Survival Ascended game and then click on the play button to check whether it is working or not.